Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pom-pom with only two things. The first thing you'll need is a pair of scissors and yarn. I'm only using one color of yarn, but you can use two if you want. The first thing you have to do is wrap the yarn around your fingers. You have to wrap it about 100 times, but if you're using two colors of yarn, you can just wrap it 50 times. The more you wrap it around your fingers, the bigger the pom-pom will be. Okay, that should be good enough for me. So what you're gonna have to do is cut off the extra string. And then you can just take it off your fingers. Now you can just set that aside for later. And you can cut up about 12 inches of string. So what you're gonna have to do is, see that hole in there? You just have to pull the string through that hole. And then just tie it 2 times. Okay, now what you can do is just turn it over and tie it the same way on the other side as well. Okay, that should be good enough. So now you'll end up with a messy bow. So all you have to do is just cut off the extra string and then just cut off those loop things, so you will just end up with strings popping out everywhere, which is what you're supposed to get, like how it looks there. And then cut off the other side as well, like the same way. Okay, now our pom-pom does look a little messy, but you can just trim it up. Okay, maybe I should just cut it up a little bit more over there and there. Just to my liking, a little bit there, snip, 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 snip. Maybe a little bit more over there on that corner. Okay, I think I like it now. And I'm just gonna roll it into a ball and play with it to feel it, and let's see how it is. It's beautiful. You can put it on a hat or even squish it, like how I'm doing it. That's a really nice pom-pom, and I'm guessing that yours is going to be even better as well. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Bye!